Traders will have much to consider today, especially coming off the yield curve concerns, and now the Mueller Report has been released. Let's bring in Dan Deming of KKM Financial. What's your observation on this market?
Well, the market is, the dynamics last week, the volatility is back. The market's very uncertain right now, given the fact that we did see the yield curve invert the 3-month versus the 10-year invert Friday, so that caused some concerns in the market. Also, as you indicated, we got late in the day, the Mueller Report came out, and again, that's another dynamic that the market's going to have to factor in this week as well.
How much have traders been thinking about the Mueller Report, the Mueller trade perhaps?
I think it's been in the back of the minds of, that's why I think you've seen vol expectations maintain a little bit elevated level in going into some of even the volatility that we saw last week. Angie, there could have been hints on Friday. That sell-off was prompted by what took place in Europe, what took place as far as the German bond market, and then it rolled into our markets. So, but there also could have been that out there during the trading day last week as well that was kind of feeding into the concerns in the marketplace as well. So I think certainly as you see the rollout, it is a little concerning if it has something significant in there. It's going to shift the dynamics in the political structure. But overall, I think the market has been dealing with it for so long, it's a little fatigue as well.
You see the Fed come in and say no more hikes, but that's also indication that we're coming into a tough time for the economy.
Agreed. So I think that's the dynamic here right now, is the Fed was so dovish that it causes some concern, and now we're seeing it play out in the interest rate environment. And again, when you look at some of the sectors that are falling prey to this, certainly financials being one of them. So that's one area, and also the small caps as well.
Thanks so much, Dan.
All right, thanks for having me.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.